What's going on, y'all? Monty here, and today I wanted to show you guys how to do a coding interview question. So like, if you try to interview at Google or Microsoft or one of the big names like that, they're not going to waste time with those stupid little, oh, what are your greatest strengths, what are your weaknesses type of interview questions. They're actually going to just jump straight into the coding, depending on which round you're in. So today I wanted to help you guys out with a coding question that I found. So this one is basically telling you guys to write an efficient function that takes stock prices yesterday, returns the highest profit that you could have made from one purchase and one sale of the stock yesterday. So what we're given is an integer array called stock prices yesterday, and its elements are 10, 7, 5, 8, 11, and 9. And they want us to write a function called getMaxProfit that takes an integer, that takes stock prices yesterday and returns. In this case, it would return 6 because it's selling the highest and it's buying the lowest. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is create a static int getMaxProfit. And for the parameter, it's going to take an integer array, and we're just going to call it x. So then we're going to create 3 variables. First is going to be called int profit, and we're just going to initialize that to 0. Next we're going to create int max and int min. Now what we're going to do with max and min is we're going to find the greatest value in the array, which we're going to sell, and the smallest value in the array, which we're going to buy, and that way we're going to be able to find the best profit that we could have made. So in order to find the max and min value in the array, we need to first initialize max and min at the first value in the array. So we're just going to go like that and like that. Alright, so now that we've initialized it, now we want to loop through the array. So we're going to create a for loop. Int I equals 0 while I is less than the length of the array I plus plus. And now in order to find the max value in the array, all we're going to do is say if x at I is greater than max, and we're just going to set max equal to x at I. Just like that. And we want to create another if statement to find the minimum. Same thing. So if x at I is less than min, then we're going to set min equal to x at I. Right, this is going to help us find the max and min value of the array. So now that we have the max and min, we can easily just find the profit. So remember, the problem wants us to buy and sell. So we have to buy the smallest value, and it wants us to buy before we sell. So first we're going to buy the smallest value. So we're going to say profit minus equals minimum. So that's how we buy the smallest value, and we can't do it in the same step. So we can't sell the highest value in the same step. So next we say profit plus equals max. And after setting the profit plus equal to max, all we're going to do is just return the profit now. Return profit. Okay, so now we're just going to test it out. So I'm going to run it, and this function right here should buy 5 and should sell 11. So we should end up with a profit of 6. So let's test it out. And voila, 6, just like that. Easy work. Alright guys, so that's how you write your own little, buying and selling stocks program. So now we're about ready to work on Wall Street. Alright guys, thanks for watching. So let me know if you want more of this in the comment section below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.